Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Mercedes Benz GLE. First, lightly sketch the car's basic outline, focusing on its overall length and height. Establish the main body shape using simple geometric forms, like a long rectangle for the main cabin and a slightly curved line for the roof. Mark the approximate locations for the wheels and the windshield to guide your drawing. Next, refine the body lines, giving the GLE its distinctive curves and contours. Carefully draw the prominent wheel arches and the perfectly circular shape of the wheels. Begin to define the front grille, headlights, and taillights, paying attention to their unique design. Don't forget to add the side mirrors and the subtle door lines for a realistic touch. Now it's time for the finer details that bring your GLE to life. Carefully sketch the iconic Mercedes-Benz logo onto the grille. Add the intricate details within the headlights and taillights, showing their internal structure. Draw the window frames and any visible interior elements. Include the door handles and the subtle, yet important, body creases along the sides. Finally, apply shading to give your drawing depth and a three-dimensional appearance. Use darker lines for the main outlines and to indicate shadows under the car and within the wheel wells. Add subtle reflections to the windows and the car's body to suggest its glossy surface. Carefully erase any remaining initial guidelines to present a clean, polished Mercedes Benz GLE drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.